Hello, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Hannah.
How do you spell your name?
M-I-E.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm also good. What colors do you like?
I like apple.
What foods do you like?
I like chicken.
What animals do you like?
I like cat.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What time do you get dressed?
I dress as I got.
What time do you brush your hair?
I brush my hair as I got.
Do you like water skiing?
I was dress.
Do you like water skiing?
I glide. I glide. too.
What do you like doing at the beach?
No, I like swimming.
Okay. Can you tell me more about your favorite water sport?
Today, today I will talk about my favorite sport is swimming. I like swimming because it's a fun and relaxing. Swimming swimming is very good for my health. I usually go swimming with my friends in my free time. I feel I feel happy and funny. That's why swimming is my favorite sport. Thank you for listening.
Okay. Is swimming easy or difficult?
Easy.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.